Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a voiceover to your videos using CapCut. Voiceovers are great for narrations, tutorials, and storytelling. To make your videos more engaging, we will walk you through how to record and add your voice directly in CapCut. Let's get started. On your CapCut dashboard, the first thing we need to do is create a project. Here we have our project. Now click the video you want to import. In this case, we have a sample video ready to use. We will drag it up and our video is now in the timeline. To add a voiceover, all we need to do is click the mic icon, then select voiceover. As you can see, it is now ready to record. To start recording, click record and play the video. Once we play the video, you will see that we are recording a voiceover over the footage. For example, describing what is happening on screen. As you can see, this is the voiceover being recorded. Once the video stops, the recording will stop too. Now, we just need to close this panel and adjust the voiceover to trim it so it fits perfectly with the video. Once we play the video, the voiceover will play along with it. When we preview the video, you will notice the voiceover is playing as expected. And that's it. We have successfully added a voiceover to our video in CapCut. Our content now includes clear and personal narrations.